A blinking amber light on your Rogers modem, often labeled online or WAN, indicates a connectivity problem where your modem isn't properly synchronized with Rogers' network. As of November 2025, this is often due to WAN signal issues or coax cable faults, especially with increased network demand. Before contacting Rogers, quickly check your coax cable connections. Ensure they're firmly attached to both the modem and the wall outlet. Inspect the cable for any visible damage, like kinks or bends. Then, power cycle your modem by unplugging it for 30 to 60 seconds before plugging it back in. This simple step resolves many temporary connectivity glitches. If power cycling doesn't resolve the blinking amber light, access your modem's web interface, typically at 192.168.0.1 or 10.0.1 to check signal levels. Aim for downstream power levels between -10 and +10 dBmV and a signal-to-noise ratio above 30 dB. Rogers My Account app also provides diagnostic tools for checking these levels. Test with a known good coax cable and splitter, especially outdoors where weather can cause corrosion. Rogers is investing heavily in fiber optic networks, which significantly reduce these connectivity issues. For persistent problems, contact Rogers for a technician visit. Prevent future issues by using surge protectors and avoiding overloaded splitters. If you have Rogers Ignite, ensure your modem is directly connected via Ethernet to isolate potential Wi-Fi issues.